Pai ni phaing korap piar ni Meghalaya achumang atum West Karbi Anglong tapat Chirilang Solong anwang paksi humnia Karbi heb meke kai kanga puthak KAAC pen ningkepung kachepaklang lapen Assam Minister Pijus Hazarika wang era phi kopia potsi piniar ni lapuson soluk sodak atomon ke japlong bomlo pusi KAAC atum pen karju pedo West Karbi Anglong lapen Meghalaya ahoi alamki non puta soluk sodak among vesi japomlang Bonda Assam sorkar lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atum piniar ni anta ahoi puthak kepangsamji aphan kachingki kachethan avilang ma Lason si kedamtang jang mia cikloni phai kretrok siani Meghalaya achomang atum Karbi Anglong nanglut si Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tax gate tame pahino tekang daklo lapen arua cikloni phai kri siani le thota Albertson timung aphan chomang atum penangan arengahu paso tekanglo Lason thak si pai ni phaing korapia ni le thotame Karbi ahem humni me kai tekanglo Arni tame Karbi Anglong along le kacherai longlok ji aphan si Meghalaya achomang atum bidi langno claim bom asonsi dolo Lasi ke bang jilangani lapuson ke pacharbo kavide ji aphan Assam sorkar pen prabjin pen ahoi long raikom sai khi ke toy aphai ke pabat nangji pusi ke hang padupon Lapen ahoi ke raikom ji aphan Regional Committee along arpu ke dotum lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tame sai chiklem pamme nangji Lapen Meghalaya sortame lapuson soluk sodak atomon ke wan vervede ji aphan KAAC dun mai phu moniram teron pachethang chonbang kangthiring ki atum pen pachini pon
At Tapat village. That incident is very unfortunate and we, the Karbi Student Associations, vehemently condemn that incident. Well, in border area, this is not the first time such kind of unfortunate incidents have occurred in the border area. On 17th of April 2023, some miscreants have destroyed the entry tax gate which was installed by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Some miscreants have destroyed the entry tax gate on 17th April 2023. And also on 11 May 2023, some miscreants have at Tado village, which is in West Karbi Anglong district near Meghalaya border, some miscreants have attacked Mr. Albertson Timung. Some miscreants from Meghalaya have attacked the Karbi villages. And also on 11 May 2023, some miscreants at Shillong have lobbed a grenade at a petrol bomb at Karbi Anglong house at Shillong. And also on 13 May 2023, miscreants from Meghalaya have burned one houses at Mokoiram Ningkreng village.
Conflicts in the border area, that is Assam and Meghalaya border, is not a new phenomenon for us. So, keeping in view the ongoing situations in the border area, my only appeal to the government of Assam is to deploy SIT team there without any delay. That's all what I've been trying to say.
News report long sa Karbi Anglong live